Hello, everyone, and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Have you ever wondered how to turn your script into ultra realistic audio that sounds just like a human voice, or even better? Well, then, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use 11 Labs AI to generate professional quality voiceovers from just plain text. So, let's jump right in.
11 Labs is an AI powered text to speech tool that can mimic real human emotions, accents, and even clone voices. It's perfect for YouTube videos, audiobooks, animations, podcasts, and literally any content where you need a voice but don't want to record it yourself. Firstly, you would need to head over to 11labs.com. You can even check the link that I've provided in the description box. And then you would need to sign up. And once you're done signing up, this is the interface where you'll arrive. And here, as you can see, you have a lot of different options. You have the audiobook option, the conversational AI, podcast, and even sound effects. So you can do all that from here. And the voices don't really sound robotic. They are actually very high quality. Now, if your goal is to generate speech from just your text, then on the left hand side here, you can see the text to speech option. So just click on that. And this is where you need to paste your text to get your audio. On the right hand side, you see this voice option. So if you just click on that, from here you can go ahead and select your voice. As you can see here, we have a lot of default voice options. So you can play these and check whatever voice matches your script and then just choose that. So once you're done selecting your voice,
At the bottom, you can see all these default options that is available to you so that you can go ahead and check whether the voices are reliable or not. So if I just click on this is a default script given to us.
Don't even start with that techno voodoo nonsense. Hey, give me that lighter. You know, I've been yelling at my toaster since 92, and now you're telling me voices come out of thin air sounding like people I used to date?
You see how good the quality of the voice is? And not just the voice, it even adds sound effects like lighter flames. You can even add minute sounds like chuckles and coughs and even inhales and exhales. So now, to create your own sound, go ahead and paste in the text. Once you've pasted your text and chosen your voice, now if you want your voice to sound calm, dramatic, excited, or emotional, you can go down and use this slider for stability and style to basically control how natural or expressive your voice sounds. So you can slide it here to make it more robust and expressive. Now, if your script is conversation based, you can go ahead and add in more speakers and even change the voice for those speakers. Now, let's say if I want a female speaker for the second voice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a different speaker here. So once I have my speaker, I'll go ahead and add in my next dialogue. Now, once you've filled in all of your dialogues, you can even go ahead and add in expressions and sound effects. But the sound effects need to be in brackets specifically. Now, let's say if I want my character to laugh, then I would need to put whatever sound effect I want from my character in these braces. You can even specify the extent or the depth of that sound effect or emotion. So once you're done with your script, you can go ahead and click on the generate option to view your audio. And once you're satisfied with your audio, then just go ahead and click on this download option. And here, as you can see, your audio will be downloaded to your file explorer. Now, here as you can see, 11 Labs offers these plans. And if you've just signed up, then this is the $0 plan, which is basically the free plan which you should opt for. In this free plan, you get 10,000 credits in a month. And now, if you're someone with a more professional job, then you can just go ahead and check out these plans and choose whatever suits you the best. Now, if you want to take it a step further and clone your own voice, then just choose this option. And here you can go ahead and upload a few samples of your own voice, and then 11 Labs will train an AI model to speak just like you in multiple languages. So that was it, guys. That is how easy it is to generate realistic voice covers using just text and 11 Labs AI. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.